How to open a Bitfinex account. Hello everyone. Bitfinex is known as one of the world's leading cryptocurrency exchanges, offering high liquidity and professional trading tools. In this video, I'll show you how to open a Bitfinex account. First, open a web browser. I'll be using Google. To open an account and get special offers from Bitfinex, visit coinaz.net/Bitfinex. Or click on the link in the description of this video to open a Bitfinex account. Let's get started. First, enter your email address, username, password, and select your country of residence. Here are the password requirements. You can refer to the example password shown on the screen. Then, click Sign Up. Now, you need to enter the 6-digit verification code sent to your email. Please check your inbox for the code. This is the email I received from Bitfinex. If you don't see the email in your inbox, click here. Then check the spam folder. Now, I'll open the email. This is your verification code. I'll enter the code here. To enhance account security, you need to set up Google Authenticator. Click Next. Click here to display the QR code. You can either scan the QR code or manually enter the setup key using the Google Authenticator app. I'll choose to enter the key manually. Click here to copy the key. Now, I'll guide you through downloading the app. First, open the App Store. If you're using an Android phone, open Google Play. Type the name of the app as shown on the screen. This is the app you need to download. Click here to download the app. Click Open. Click Get Started. Sign in with your Google account. Click Add a code. You can choose to scan a QR code or enter a setup key. I'll choose to enter a setup key. First, enter your account name. Next, paste the key you just copied. Then click Add. You've successfully added the code to the Google Authenticator app. Click the code to copy it. Then, go back to the Bitfinex website. Click I've linked my code. Paste the code here. You have successfully completed the two-factor authentication setup. Click Login now. Here, enter the email address or username and the password you just created. Then click Login. Next, enter the verification code from the Google Authenticator app. These are the Bitfinex terms of service. After reading and fully understanding the terms, click here to agree. Then, click Submit. Next, you need to download the Bitfinex app to complete identity verification. Type the name of the app as shown on the screen. Click here to download the app. Click Open. Choose the version that best suits your needs. Click Login. Log into your account. Next, enter the 6-digit code from Google Authenticator. Click Authenticate. Now, create and confirm a PIN code to secure your account. Click Account. Then select Verification. There are 3 levels of verification: basic, intermediate, and full. You should choose full verification to be able to trade and access all features on Bitfinex. To complete full verification, you will need to provide the following information. Then, click Continue and follow Bitfinex's instructions to complete the verification process. I've just shown you how to open a Bitfinex account. Wishing you success.